Photoline is a registered trademark of Computer Insel, and I am in no way affiliated with Computer Insel. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about the Lasso Tools available in Photoline. If you come over to your toolbox, you'll see a square here. That is your rectangle lasso. If you click there and come back over to your photo, what you can do is click and hold down on your mouse button and drag that square around part of your object. And Photoline is going to automatically switch over to the Marquee Tool, as it's called in most other software. And usually they're two different separate tools. But like I said, with Photoline, it's automatically going to switch over, and from what you can do from here is just click inside of your selection and drag that to another place. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. You can also resize your selection by clicking on these squares here, as you can see. And also, if you come back over to your square lasso tool and hold on it, you can select a circle, so you can select circular objects. And you've also got your free lasso tool. You can, whenever you click, it's going to create a line, and you can circle objects this way, go around them, and if you double click, it's going to close that up, and you can do the same thing as we did with the rectangular lasso. And another cool thing is the magnetic lasso. If you do the same thing as with the free lasso, it's going to circle objects, but it's going to sense the difference in colors and kind of try and stick to different parts of the object, so it's going to help you kind of mask out parts of your objects, as you can see. And double click to close that up as well. And another thing, you have your horizontal and your vertical handles, which are of limited usefulness, but you may need them at some point. If you click somewhere in your picture, you'll get a line going across, and from here you can click on the side and drag it up or down. It's going to just create a dragging effect there. But that's how you use the lasso tools in Photoline.